when we started this video, we started from Ebebe Junction. So we don't really know how the front of the road is. So I decided to drive back so that you guys will see how far they've gone on this road, okay? So this is actually where we started this video from, this Ebebe Junction. So let's keep enjoying this video.
I think that's what all those sandstones they are putting this on.
Okay.
See,
Hey, oh, Chineke. And the thing they put on the road.
Oh, you know, the thing, no, why you do
the tire self. No, probably in things say it. Probably in things say it. You think say him go see say the thing no dey, then he go there enter, he drink beer. HM na rubu go eba. But I feel it Holland does where royal. Kescani and they feel this side down. Where well, they are special reason for feeling them. They didn't feel others. They didn't do shake again and die.
Yeah, one pass then.
How did you manage to pass? If they finish this road, come for Oruta. We'll come revisit the roads. Come arrange all the gutter so that the water go dey flow well. Because see all these gutter don't block. See grasses. But now the people where even they there, where their shop they're supposed they clean this gutter, make water they pass. Eh?
Everybody just be down. I remember environmental clean every place.
Today na kpirikpiri.
I want to come market and buy something.
See ogbonno, you know say no ogbonno.
Yeah. I want to buy them. So. I feel entire.
It is sure. No kwam fa bia na gi nnukwu ego. Okay price ogbonno.
What price is?
Okay, can reach you. Don't worry. No to. Na bia. No ma. Mba ato na. Ego na bu pento ogbonno biko. Eh? Ama okuma bo ai ko to ogbonno. Penta ya. Penta ogbonno ego na.
Penta.
Yeah. 26,000. Ko ruchego.
Penta kakina. Penta bo ka.
Roba no abego na.
Roba nka.
15,000. Roba nka. There's one here one. What of that custard? Nke custard da.
Custard. 7,000.
Mana ebe akuru na no ba? Okay, because you try to here. Price up nka na akwado. So guys, the last ogbonno I bought in this same market at this same point, okay, was not even up to 6,000 a penta. I think it was 5,500 a penta. Only for me to come here and they say 26,000. Hey, price of things have really changed though. In our next video anyway, we are going to show you guys. Maybe we'll just go and check a price of things in the market, current price of things in the market, and we are going to post for you guys, okay? For those of you that suggested that I should repeat the mushroom video, I'm working on it. And the rice farming video is not something that is one, so it's something that I have to start from the planting season down to, but I'm going to see how I'm going to do it, so that you guys will also get that video, since you're demanding for another one. Okay, then for our next video, we are going to show you guys the ongoing demolitions in Ebonyi State, and I really hope you're going to enjoy the video when you see it. Don't forget to like my videos always, so that YouTube can keep recommending it to a lot of people.
15,000 that rubber penta costs not 26. The difference between that rubber and penta is not really much. If it's me, I'll just buy
their
the
own,
rubber.
then no be then the farmer. Why you call price like that?
They no go sell and go buy food for markets. Now what for you? Okay, if price of things change for market, then they go see they sell their own old price. Waiting you want, make them take chop. All of them go increase their own. The thing is just, that's how life works. If you increase your own, I increase my own to be able to buy your own. You know, during the olden days, what they were doing was trade by barter. Like if you carry 1 cup of oil, you give me half cup of ogbonno. Do you understand? So, but when things changed, when they introduced money system, if you bring money, everything has a price. The ones that have value. The ones that don't really have value did not have much value. The more difficult it is to get something, the more the value of that thing. You understand? But if the thing is plenty in the market, the price will drop automatically. That's the law of demand and supply. So we are still on the road. This is how far they've gone. It's straight to pass. Okay. So this is the other part of the road, but this is the one that leads to stadium. We are in stadium right now. If you enjoy this vlog, please like, share, and how will I put it again? Subscribe if you're new, like, share my videos, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye, love you. See stadium, yeah.
I don't know road come there, you know, where they kpirikpiri.